Did you see it? Nature itself wrote about us, one of the world's most famous science journals. And if they are writing about us, it means we're big. So why are we in the spotlight? The article is based on work by a researcher from Russia who now lives in Europe. It's symbolic that she's commenting on a Ukrainian company on a global level. What's also interesting, she recently admitted her investigation started bringing in grants and sponsors money. So it became a business that feeds itself. The question is this really about integrity in science or about creating scandals to get fundings? So let's calmly look at the facts. Their claim number one: we owe the domain tanu.pro. Nature says articles were massively sent from that domain. But what do we have to do with it? Our official website is bubble.com. The domain tanu.pro never belonged to us. This can be checked in public registers. And here's the kicker. Just one day before publishing the article, on the 2nd of September, Nature emailed us asking, "Do you own tanu.pro? If you are sure about your facts, you don't do that. That looks more like hedging than real investigation." Claim number two: we are a paper mill. Honestly, the term paper mill is a silly label for consulting. Here what we actually do. We help authors with translation, editing and formatting their articles. We advise on topics because we see global trends. We support researcher profiles like ORCID, Google Scholar, etc. And we check text for plagiarism and style. That's not a fraud. That's legal consulting that helps scientists avoid mistakes and improve quality. Claim number three: we are opening offices during the war in our country. The article hints that while there is a war in Ukraine, we are expanding. The fact is, we opened offices in other countries before the war. And yes, we continue to grow. Why? Because our clients aren't only PhD students. They are lecturers, associate professors, university admins, and even ministry experts. Demand for consulting grows, so we build a long-term infrastructure. That's about stability, but not about exploitation. Claim number four: we are tied to 1500s or 8432 papers. Nature says 1500 papers. Chinese media now claims more than 8000 of them. In 6 months, maybe they'll say 10,000 articles. Where are these numbers from? It's a manipulation. They are just counting domain mentions without any method explanation. And if everything was investigated earlier, why do the numbers keep growing? Looks like a game of impressions, not facts. And claim number five: the Chinese article is just a clone of Nature. The site simply reprinted the Nature article, changed the numbers and threw in a war reference. No details, no additional proofs. Maybe they are real paper mill, if they just recycle other people's texts. Even their readers notice that. We respect Nature and understand their mission. But we won't let facts about us be twisted. Yes, we are big, 250 plus staff, offices in several countries, clients from over 60 states. We won Business of the Year 2023 and the Scientific Company Award 2024. People write about us because we are a serious player. And here is the real issue. The problem in science isn't that someone helps author edit or manage profiles. The real problem is deeper. In many universities, PhD students are forced to go straight for senior stuff. Their names disappear from papers. Citation cartels thrive. That's the real paper mills. But investigators don't talk about that. We do the opposite. We help scientists grow their H-index, keep their research profiles up to date, and make their ideas visible. Transparent and honest support. And that's why thousands of clients across the world choose us. So, if you will ever need help with your article, or any other consulting services, we are here to help. And see you in the next videos.